Siguro mga, hindi ko mabilang eh.
At least 5.
Yeah, at least 5.
At least 5. Because you have 9 championships as a Signal men's team. Pero ngayon team manager ka na. How is it like, as Batista scores in that cross-court hit, how is it like to become a team manager of a
My teammates before and the coaches, andun yung respeto.
Yes.
It's there's the boundary is still there na team manager na ako, so respetuhin nyo. Okay na. So, yun yung maganda sa culture ng Signal eh. Masaya pa rin, pero siyempre, respeto.
Oo, respeto pa rin. Bigyan din natin ng respeto.
Mana ako, Mig, so ano yun?
Okay na. Thank you for answering the question, Alfred.
Yeah.
It is 3-2 here in set number 3. Davison using her left hand. Saved by Shaya. Batista. A lot of power there.
Well, first set pala, yun, 2 points pala, nanalo sila within 2 points. But,
So this matches it.
Yes.
Batista. Sent back. Battle at the net. Nice recovery by Majoy. Same girl. Ooh. Batista bomb.
There you go. Biggest lead now, 3. I can say ito na yung biggest lead natin.
Sure na yan.
Sure na. Pero I wanna state lang din that this third set, even the middle blocker also.
Yep. Zakaranda.
Yes, Karandang also starting.
Getting the deflection there. Nabor sending it to Uni. Nice denial by PLDT. Paat from the back. This is KKD. That's sharp. Good one from Kiana.
Yeah, thanks.
Cherry Tigo in danger. PLDT taking control of set 3. Overpass. Fajardo. Awkward set there as KKD was underneath her. Nice dig by Catharado. This is Sabi. Wow. That's a fireball for you.
You can see how polished is the system here of PLDT. Wala sila VL na kahit lamamang pa yung 3, 4, 5, kaya natin bumalik and now they're tied.
5-all. Oh, nagawa ni Majoy. And it worked out. Majoy saying sorry to Fajardo.
Yeah.
Prioritizes the health of our players. Uni. Bit low there on her jump. Mabikina from the back. Batista again. She gets the point. Napansin ko yung talon eh. Hindi ganun kataas. But it was well enough for her to score a point. Nice read by Shaya. No 1-2 for Caf. Hindi na mahahabol ni Karen Verdaflor. We're able to tap a new demographic. Kahit nga sa Dasmariñas, nakakadayo na rin tayo doon. And even farther locations.
Ilo. They had that Ilo.
Well, mabuti naman dahil ang taas nga naman ang kalibre ng PVL, obviously, with this is a luxury for us. Zakarandang. Oh, yeah.
Masarap kasama sa court. Kita mo through her body language, her actions. Pag nakapuntos, really enjoying.
Nakakahawa. Chance. Back row, Uni. Over Doug. Off the battle at the net. One more. It's pushed back by Majoy. Batista will secure the point. Mabikina to the back. Shaya. Naibalik sa kanya. Oh, that almost went out. Blocked by Maranyo. Sharper hit by Mabikina. That time around, it worked.
Yeah, I want to converting it to a point.
And the back row is not a problem at all for Uni Batista. 9-10. Ganda ng pasa na yun. Played it really short. Almost worked. Fajardo again off the chance. It's Ned Palomata.
Yeah. There you have it, Palomata and